Hi, I'm Debbie and I am a griddle-aholic.
Hi, I'm Gary, and I'm a griddle-aholic.
Good morning, folks. Today we are going to smoke on our Vision Grill a prime rib roast. This is a 3-bone prime rib roast that we picked up from our local grocer this weekend, and we're hoping it's going to be a real good deal. So stick around with us today and we'll show you how we're going to do this prime rib roast on our Vision Grill. This is the prime rib roast that we purchased this weekend at our local grocery. We're going to take this, we're going to score it up there, tie it up. The bones are cut off of this already. So we're going to tie it up and then we're going to get her seasoned up and get it on the grill today. Stay tuned with us, folks. Okay, folks, what we're going to do first, we're going to score the back of this rib roast, and to get that spices and those seasonings way down in there. Well, you don't have to cut this very deep. Maybe 1/8 of an inch. Just something to get that nice seasoning that Deborah's made. And that recipe will be in the comments down below. Score this baby up. And Debbie's right in my picture because I told her what to do and she's out there doing something else. And we'll score the other side, like I said, about 1/8 of an inch down. Just enough to get that seasoning inside that rib. So we're going to do our seasoning. Now this is a seasoning that Debbie made. We'll have a recipe down below, like I said. And we're not going to be chintzy on this. We're going to make this nice and seasoned up. And the other side. All right, and the end up here too. And don't forget the fronts and the backs of these right on top of the ribs itself. These are going to just build a really good little bark on this piece of beef. It is going to be delicious. And the other side. Like I said, we want to be liberal with a lot of the seasoning. Okay, the seasoning, this rib roast is seasoned up. So what we're going to do, we're going to tie it up because the bones are cut off here. We're going to tie it up, then we're going to get it on the grill. And we're ready to put it on the grill. "45 minutes in, folks." And that's how it's working. Baked potatoes on the grill also. And the roast is looking really good. Okay, its internal temperature is 130. We're getting ready to take our rib roast off. Here we go.
How's it looking?
Potatoes look good. Look at that rib roast. Doesn't that look delicious?
That looks awesome.
Look how these bones are protruding out of there. This is going to be good. Get it off there, and we're going to let it rest for about 10 minutes before we cut into it.
Yay.
How's that?
Yay, looks good. Okay.
Okay. All right, the rib roast's been taken off. The bones have been taken off, and so we are going to carve into this right now. Take a look. Oh, look how that looks now.
Yes.
Oh, see this? See this?
Oh, is that your treat?
How's that look, folks?
Oh man, that looks good. This wasn't hard. Okay, it's going.
Okay, folks, moment of truth here. Our prime rib roast done just perfection, just like we like it. And we did sear it up on our Vision grill at a real good 500-degree temperature out there. So I'm going to give it a shot. Oh, yeah. Now that's a good rib roast. Anyway, folks, this is a really good rib roast we made today. We got our company over today, my daughter and her husband, Darren and Tracy. And we are going to have our Easter Sunday today. Anyway, folks, have a nice day today. Have a great day today. And may the good Lord take a liking to you.
Sorry. Okay, get the rolls out of the oven. I think they're done.
Thanks for watching. Down below in the comments section, leave us a comment and tell us what you think of our video today. We'd love to hear from you. If you'd like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, tap that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for cooking with us today, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.